Turning me now sa fire hose. Okay, ito Fairmont Spa. Let's check po yung spa, pool, and elevators. Okay, let's check po. Magandang spa area. I can smell the scent of the spa here. Saan yung pool area dito? Kamila? Dito na meron dito?
Ito yung facilities po natin. Andiyan din po doon po sa may facilities na sa spa. Apo.
Ah. Ay, walay?
Okay. Okay, sir. Dito po si ma'am.
Ganun pala. Ano ko kasama? Okay. Steam. Wow! Wow! Okay. Welcome to the pool area of the Fairmont here in Makati. Okay. Ganun, meron silang lap pool, no? For one person. Okay, ito po view sa gabi, no? Ganda. So there's a nice landscaping or buildingscaping here. Love, ligo na? Ha? Ito yung liligo? Ha? Yes. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Steam mo tayo para maula yung lamig natin, no? Sige. Thank you, Lerma. Hi. Lamig ah. Eh, wala pa akong kuha ng ano, gym ah. Gym tayo bukas. Okay, good. Sige.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Thank you.
Good night. Thank you.
24 hours na yung gym.
I love. What are you doing pa? Ha? Okay, welcome to Raffles Makati. Okay, let's check po anong meron dito. Okay, yan lang bar, napakaraming libro. It looks like encyclopedia. And it's Jijiao. Ingi dito ah. Meron doon, restaurant. Okay, ito yung Raffles Lobby Lounge. So nice then. Okay, let's go. Long bar. Writer's bar. Ha? Tara. Ayun o. Long bar. Curator's Hour. Per person, okay. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Unlimited serving red wine, white wine, sparkling, cold cuts. Okay. That's it. Ano yan? Ha? Welcome to Mistral here in Raffles. Okay.
This is dry.
Ano lang? Basa, basa? Okay, wet ba? Wet?
Hindi ako mag-give up. Kasi
Bakit?
may nag-deal na out na doon. Doon ako.
Okay, so paalisin natin. Buta ng tubig.
May nag-deal out na daw.
Okay,
Hindi ako
good.
susuko.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Hello, love. It's 10:40 in the evening. And welcome here sa Raffles. You know what Raffles is, love?
Tapos,
Oh, yun pag yung may pa-premyo, di ba? Ibabulahin mo yung mga ticket, no? Okay, that's Raffles. Okay, we're here in Raffles, Makati. Enjoying for the night and a lovely evening here in the roof deck of Raffles Bell. Okay. It's the view po, ha? Ayun, no? Raffles Bell. Okay, sit. Whoop. Wow. Whoop. Wow. Whoop. Wow. Whoop. Wow.
11 o'clock na ako.
11 o'clock na. Yeah, okay.
Shrimp pieces.
What's that?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Okay, in short, bola-bola po.
Short bola-bola.
Ha?
Ang short bola-bola sa dapitan,
Oo.
25 pesos.
Okay.
Dito, 900.
Patamis ka? 900 pesos to?
Yes.
Oh no! Grabe, bola-bola. 900 pesos.
Ang
No?
mahal ng bola-bola.
Oh yeah.
Kasi ganun.
Okay, enjoy natin yung bola-bola sa Raffles.